I started the PEM course back in 2007. I thought it was really helpful in terms of giving me some of the theoretical background to how things work in the construction industry, particularly how contracts work.
I think that it adds a lot of value to us to send our graduates up to UCL. It's clearly quite an investment on our part. Were you able to find direct relationships between the modules that you did and the actual individual projects that you were working on?
Yeah, absolutely, and that was really a key part of it, really. I think if I was doing the course full time without the benefit of being in a workplace and seeing it live out in reality, I might have been a bit more limited in what I would have taken away from the course.
We tried to move the graduates around the business quite a lot when they do their scheme. Did you find it beneficial to be able to move to different parts of the business as you moved through the different modules in the course?
On one of my placements, the team that I was in was actually going through an organisational restructure. So I was able to take that and use that as a case study for the piece of coursework that I needed to do. That was really good. It gave me a real life example, something that I could really get my teeth into to understand the real issues. Moving around whilst on the graduate scheme can only be an advantage, really, in terms of getting a whole range of experience that can be useful for applying the theoretical knowledge that we've learnt as part of the UCL course.
I mean, I've had the advantage of sort of interviewing graduates at the beginning, have them placed on my projects, and then also go away to other placements and then come back and join my projects again. Is there anything specific you've been working on, Ed, that you've brought back into the organisation?
One of the key things that I've taken away from the course is this idea of intelligent clients, managing contractors rather than managing the contract. The theoretical studies that I did as part of the course, but also looked at specifically as part of my dissertation, have been really invaluable in informing my recommendations and the way that I've been involved in that thought process going forward within TFL.
And I just think that offers a greater strength and a greater opportunity to the relationship between TFL and UCL to be able to work together more, to develop some of those ideas and initiatives that continue to drive value through the business.
I think doing the Masters has, I guess, furnished me with a much broader understanding of how things work, how they should work in an ideal world, and what the reality is within an organisation, a big organisation like Transport for London.